Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the SECRUI door chime. It's a door sensor chime for when you open and close your door. This is how it comes to you. It comes with the receiver and 2 transmitters. They also give you a choice of mounting. You can mount them with the sticky pads, or they actually provide some small screws as well. These are very easy to operate. For the purposes of the video, I've plugged in the receiver into an outlet in my shop so I can show you on video. These are the transmitters right here, and we're going to simulate what happens to it when you have these installed on a door or a window. So as you can see, I've got a little bit of a gap there. Now watch and listen what happens when I break that magnetic link between them. That's exactly how they work on your door or window. There are 58 tones available. I'm not going to go through all of them, but if you just short press over here on the right side, you can start going through them and listening. All right, here's what just blew my mind on this door chime. I live in a 2-story house. I went upstairs and I plugged in the receiver into an outlet in my upstairs. Now, I came back down to my garage and I used these and I broke the contacts. And I left my phone up there recording to see if it actually triggered this alarm, and it did. Mind blown, and based on that, I am definitely going to recommend this SECRUI door chime. That was awesome. That's a security feature, and that's something that you can do in your home or your shop. This works, they say, about 500 feet away from these transmitters, and it just went through walls and everything else with me. So yeah, I recommend it. And if you're looking at it, I hope you found this video helpful.